already, and we're about to hear a few more reaching up to number 11. Right, so we are now on number 9. Number 9 is very simply called Uči, Igraj, rasti from Bosnia and Herzegovina.
Oh, I didn't see you there. Hello. I didn't see the presentation either. Okay, my name is Ammar and this is Armin. We are Play, Learn, Grow. Did you know that 1/3 of the world's children never reach their true potential? Well, I want you to imagine if we could unlock this potential. We believed, and we still do, that educational toys are the key to unlocking this potential. You don't have to imagine anymore. Look, we made one. An all-in-one educational set for preschool and early school period. We want to make more, and we need you now. By the first birthday, 40% of children in Croatia become a daily consumer of screen devices, and by age 4, almost every child, 97%. Right now, every second child in Bosnia develops some sort of development disorder until age 7. I see this in real life too. People around me often use devices in their upbringing of children by giving a child a mobile phone so he can be quiet for hours. This creates a rapid decline in interaction between children, parents and peers, which is not a healthy way to spend the early childhood when the brain needs a lot of cognitive stimulation. There's a huge challenge in front of us regarding education. As you see, there has never been more opportunity to educate. But why are the numbers of early childhood issues growing more and more, even before school starts? We need to change it's not only important what we teach the children, it's important also how we teach them. Even the CEOs of the biggest companies are warning us to change education. As predictions show, we will lose 800 million jobs to artificial intelligence by year 2030. Obviously, we cannot compete with the machines. So what we need to do is differentiate from them by teaching our children human skills. They need to develop certain values, beliefs, skills like independent thinking, teamwork, interpersonal skills, and care for others. So what have we done so far? 2 years ago, we designed our first educational set of illustrated cards, which helps children develop abstract thinking, problem solving, mathematical reasoning, logic, and storytelling through interaction with others. A game that promotes collaboration, sharing, and all the necessary knowledge for a ready school enrollment. A game designed by us and produced in Bosnia and Herzegovina.
Cards, play, learn, grow. So far, parents, teachers, pediatrics love it, but most importantly, children love it. Already they are well received by almost 20,000 children, 300 schools, and in 100 kindergartens. They are available in 26 toy and bookstores in Bosnia, and also soon in 15 additional druggery markets across our country. Also, we have established online sales channel. So we want our toys to be found in every household, kindergarten, school, so the kids can learn those key skills that are necessary in years that are crucial for their development. So we have set up a solid foundation and we need to continue and scale it up. Right now we are developing 10 new products that are fostering specific development issues. Right now, to bring them to the market, we need funding. So we invite you to join us and invest in us. So little is invested in entrepreneurship, and around 60% of young people in Bosnia are unemployed or are leaving the country, even our closest friends. But we want to stay and share our ideas and help new generation grow up healthy. Imagine if you fed this cow with the grass from a toxic polluted field. So the milk would be bad, and so the consumer sells. It's the same thing with the child's brain, but it absorbs during early childhood. It matters. So if we don't provide enough valuable toys in those years, some common issues will be slower cognitive function, lack of abstract thinking, undeveloped motor skills, and so on. And we want to send children to school with a brain like this. So if we provide them with their brains with valuable toys, their brains get richer and more networked, And the unique thing to the brain is that it has this ripple effect that brings massive rewards into the future. So by improving person's academic opportunity, health, resilience, and their capacity to navigate life and become useful members of society, like Elon here. So, what kind of society do you want our kids to live in? Thank you.
Learn, play, grow. Fantastic. Right. We are. Would I like one? Yes. Do we get one? He goes, would you like one? I say yes. He just walks off. He didn't say, I've got to pay for it. I didn't have to pay for the bulk and chill. Anyway. Right. We are.